Here we are at the entrance of the old Waxahachie tunnels. I've brought my faithful compatriot and newly elected friend, Micah Eddy.
Greetings, all.
We've caught word of Prohibition-era ghosts making moonshine in here. Ghost moonshine. Ghost shine. I intend to shut these ghostly drunkards down. In my short time on this earth, I've seen things I can't explain and experienced things I can't describe. I hunt down the paranormal with two goals in mind: to seek and to destroy. I am the night. I'm the fist that meets the face. I am the wall between the paranormal and the normal. I am the boundary between the supernatural and the natural. I'm the cherry on top of a sundae of paranormal justice. Ghosts learn to fear one name. I'm Kevin, the Ghost Killer. And here we are. The cursed tunnels of old Waxahachie. We'll need to find an area of dry land that I could set up my ghost devices on. Look at all these roaches. Look at these fossils. These rocks have shell fossils in them.
Smell of sulfur?
That's always a good sign. It means we're close to evil. Or at least close to righteous judgment of some form.
I wonder what kind of vermin we'll come upon.
It certainly is a mystery. I'm looking for another kind of vermin, though. Ghost vermin. Paranormal infestations. Neither of us detected this sound while in the tunnels. Listen again. A mystery, to be sure. Could this be the distant echoing call of an ancient carrion bird crowing through the annals of time? Or perhaps a ghost getting punched in the stomach? That doesn't feel like my boot's waterproof anymore. Okay, there's a large web. Are you accompanied by a giant spider, large web? I'm going to trust you. I'm going to walk past you. Because it's my only option. I need you to not have a large spider within you. Micah, tell me if the spider comes out upon me.
I'll be sure and tell you.
I think I'm safe.
You're right. Thus far.
That was the bravest I've ever been. I believe the waterproofing of these boots has been compromised.
I guess you made all this clouds, right? And the water?
Yes, I was stepping around a lot. Debunked!
You have a voice?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. I have a knife this time, so I'm proud of myself for...
It sounded distant and almost feminine.
And absolutely malevolent. I mean, malevolent. I'm still learning English.
That's fine. Aren't we all? All right. Gonna set up the org here. Ghosts. Ghosts of the Prohibition. I know you're here. You're violating ghost law. You're not allowed to serve alcohol in Ghost Prohibition. And we'll cut your charges short if you come and touch this orb. It's a signature of your admission of guilt. It will clear you of all charges. Go ahead, touch a button beneath the orb, and you won't be sent to jail. You hear those voices again? I'm hearing voices.
Not sure.
We have two options. Go back and face the voices, or go deeper. Around this time, a strange mist began to fill the tunnels. The humidity was intolerable. It was as though the ghosts were trying to run us off by making us sweaty.
I say we go back and face the voices rather than all these roaches. Quicksand right there. I mean, straight up. If I hadn't moved, I wouldn't have been able to.
Wow.
Ugh.
See, kids? Don't do ghost hunting without special training. Dangerous things can happen. There's classic Disney threats like cougars and quicksand, along with a bungaload of ghosts.
Yeah, why?
You are a noble crawdad. Keep your heart pure in this dark cave, for ghosts lie in wait for you. Where are you going? You're heading towards me. You're heading... Are you trying to get my foot? He's trying to get my foot. Move! He's with the ghosts!
There's that sulfur again.
Yep. So this is roughly where the evil or righteous judgment is. In this sulfury zone. What the heck is that?
I wondered the same thing when I was coming around.
Good Lord, it's heavy.
Some sort of planispheric disk.
Something not of earthly origins. Feel the weight of it.
Oh wow, that is heavy.
Incredibly heavy. We've discovered something here. Something evil. A sphere, not unlike a UFO. Listen to the way it lands. Doesn't sound anything like a stone. A stone, for comparison. And now this again. Okay, similar-ish.
That sounds exactly the
I
same.
think something's wrong with the big rock. That's the problem. Okay, that's the problem. It's this rock. This is the ghost rock. What the heck? But I'm going to be taking this with me for further studies. It makes no sense for it to be this heavy.
Granite.
Once I unlock its secrets, I will destroy it! Do you want me to destroy it?
I think it's just granite from the courthouse. The old courthouse.
That's what the ghosts want you to think, Micah. Are you buying into the ghost propaganda? We found ourselves a ghost tome, perhaps some sort of plate to enjoy the hearts of innocent children. You ghost fiends! I'll destroy it! I will destroy it! I will destroy it! It's indestructible. Further research is necessary.